What's the meaning of afflict? Afflict. 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 The word afflict refers to causing pain or suffering to someone or something. It can be used to describe physical, emotional, or mental distress. The result of affliction can range from mild discomfort to severe agony and can have a lasting impact on the individual affected. People who are afflicted may experience symptoms such as sadness, anxiety, physical pain, or disability, and may require medical or emotional support to alleviate their suffering. In summary, affliction refers to causing significant harm or distress to an individual and can lead to a range of negative consequences.